once said, "A room without books is like a body without a soul." Books, to many people, are doors to the treasure of knowledge of the world. But at the dawn of the 21st century's digital era, is that still true? This robotic arm says no. It's DoBot Magician, a robotic arm designed to be used on the desktop. It is precise, multifunctional, and extendable, with a smaller body than its counterparts, which makes it the best tool for you to learn about robotics. It can perform tasks including 3D printing, laser engraving, write and draw, and grabbing objects. The standardized end tools can be switched by just a twist. It doesn't matter if you're doing fine work or moving big objects. They can create wonderful things and bring excellent convenience only limited by your imagination. From homes to laboratories and even competitions, DoBot Magician can always find its purpose. To realize all that, you will need its exclusive application, DoBot Studio. It's by far the most multifunctional GUI controlling system for desktop robotic arms. You can connect with USB, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth and control DoBot Magician with mouse, button, joystick, or even gesture. You only need to teach it once, and it will imitate your movements precisely. Yes, it is that simple to use a robotic arm. Not only that, DoBot Magician can be a programmer's friend. With a graphical programming interface, DoBot Blockly, you can create your program by simply assembling command blocks, making it to perform complex tasks just like regular code. You can also use the regular programming environment to control DoBot Magician in your most familiar way. To learn programming or to actually program, you can enjoy both with DoBot Magician. Like DIY? Welcome to our world. DoBot Magician has 13 extension ports, including digital and analog input-output, power source, communication, and even motor ports. With DoBot's protocol and API, you can create your own end tools with sensors and switches. Wants to build a walking robotic arm? No problem. At the dawn of Industry 4.0, the future of automation is approaching, a future which needs you, a robot lover, to forge. The DoBot Magician is ready. What about you? Come aboard and join us.